Now for this scenario, I will be looking at this as a seller of a property. So this is what I would do as a seller. Once I've landed on this page, I would look at the top of the page here where it says seller house. And this is what I'd click on right here. As you can notice, I've signed out as a buyer because I want to see if it will let me sign back in with the same credentials or if I would need to create a new account. All right, so seller house. I've clicked on seller house. Search for properties. Okay, here we go. Seller house, you can do it yourself. We believe that you are the best seller of your home. After all, you know the feeling of home like no one else and convey those emotions during the viewing. At the same time, we understand that it's exciting to sell your home yourself. You're in control of your sale, but your own property advisor, Antalya Buy, offers support. This way you are not alone. All right, so now it describes how does it work and what are their packages. The steps: offer your home, be the one to show your house to the buyers, start the negotiations, good legal sales process, sold, and then our packages. So here we go. I'm just going to skim through this again. So for the packages, you have your home is listed on Antalya Buy free of charge with legal support, with support for photos and videos, video recordings, unlimited customization options, 1 year free membership to Antalya Buy, advertising your home on social media. So that all of this is covered free of charge. Standard purchase contract is also covered with legal support and support of photos. At the bottom here it says professional photos of your home. That is not offered free of charge. That is something that you would have to pay for, or I'm assuming you'd have to get someone else to professionally do that for you. They also do not offer support for photos and videos, which are professional. Video presentation is not offered, and also is not supported. Floor plan of your home is not offered and is not supported on the site. Multilingual assistance in communication with the buyer is not supported. Legal support is not supported, and support for photos and video is not supported. So here it's listing everything that you get and everything that you would have to pay for, basically. Everything with an X, with a red X, is something that the seller would have to pay for, and everything in green is what the website Antalya Buy is supporting free of charge. All right, so at the bottom of the page here, we have the process. We have the option for free sign up, order now, and order now. So if you know that you will need some of these that are crossed out in red, those are need to be ordered. In my case, I'll just go ahead and try and do the free sign up. Let's see if I have to create another. I'm not sure how it's gonna, let's see. All right, so this time we're going to be the property owner, and I'm just gonna use my same email address, or maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't do that because let me just do this, especially because I didn't need to verify it with my email. Maybe I can just use any email in order to have access. And I'm going to create a password, and I'm going to confirm the password. I'm going to agree with the conditions of placement on antalyabuy.com, and then we're going to select next, and it says done. So it looks like the information I provided was good enough to create a seller's account. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to pause this for 1 second. Let me pause it to see what's good. Actually, maybe I can check. Yes, it looks like my internet's fine. Let me refresh this. I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay, I may have to. Okay, yeah, we are fine. So I'm going to create first. I'm going to create a profile, first name. I'm going to name her Wendy Tester, and I'm going to give her a phone number and then select next. Let's hope it's good enough to get us a seller's account. Done. Registration complete. You've successfully created an account. Now you may sign into. Oh God, did I remember? I hope I remember my email. Yes, I think that was it. And password. And I'm going to log in. Or sign in rather. And perfect. Okay, you successfully logged in. So these are the options I have for a seller. I have my listings, I have add a listings, my messages, my profile, and services. So I will be able to go ahead and create my listings. I can add a listing, but I think the main scenario that you wanted tested was the ease for sellers to create an account and to register in order to create listings on the site. As you could see, I used an email address and a phone number, which is really all that the seller needs, and they were able to create the list. They were able to create a seller's account. I think that's good enough, and as you can see, it was pretty easy to do. I didn't run into any issues. I feel like you intentionally made it easier on the sellers to create an account in order to access the services offered by Antalya Buy. So overall, the process for me was very easy. I do have some concerns about security and about verification, which is of course very important for the process of buying and selling houses. Perhaps there should be a step where they get an email and need to verify it in order to log into their account. That is the only thing that I can see that would be a concern for me as a seller when creating an account on this platform. However, the ease of creating the account was very helpful, and I didn't run into any issues at all. Yeah, so that is my review on creating an account, a seller's account on Antalya Buy. Thank you.